Hey guys, Amanda with Rich & Sons. Just wanted to show you one of these brand new Passport rear livings. Passport's rolling out a bunch of new floor plans. This one just came in and I'm really excited to show it to you. So usually Passports are really lightweight, easily towable, pretty short. And we used to still do stock a lot of bunk models, but this one is a couples model with extra sleeping. Brand new interior. No carpet. New this year are the table and chairs for Passport. You've got recliners, a couch that'll sleep extra people. Love that they put in the end tables on those. You'll see you've got roller shades in here. That's a new and improved thing. Television and fireplace. The fireplaces that put out the 5,000 BTU of heat on electricity. The kitchen is phenomenal for something this category. Lots and lots of storage. An island. Everybody loves those. We've got opposing slides in here, so you've got a great big living room. Little coffee bar, or whatever kind of bar you'd like it to be. Bathroom's got tons of storage and a shower. Built-in shelves. And then in the bedroom, lots of good storage. You're going to have outlets and USBs on both sides, as well as a closet in here for extra storage. All right, guys, this is a brand new floor plan by Passport with the brand new colors. They're going to have a lot of these hitting the ground really soon. So come out and check them out. Thanks.